Mom. There are many ways you can help your mom. Offer to do household chores like cleaning or doing the dishes. Help with cooking or meal preparation. Assist with grocery shopping or making a shopping list. Offer to take care of younger siblings if you have them. Give her a hand with organizing or tidying up the house. Listen to her when she needs someone to talk to. Show appreciation and gratitude for all that she does. Help with any specific tasks or errands she may need. Plan a special surprise or treat to make her day. Just spend time together and be supportive and loving. Remember, even small gestures of help and appreciation can mean a lot to your mom.